playing this song for 7 years.
It's probably about 7.
It's had about 7 Christmases, and it's an original Christmas song, but we still get the words mixed up, and there's a very strong danger of we have this Christmas time, this Christmas Day, this Christmas Eve, and the Brave New Year.
Thank you, Annie, for that.
If they go wrong and the endings of those sentences go wrong, then we merge words together that create bad words.
It's not going to happen tonight.
It's not going to
Not
happen
for you guys.
To think that all these years passed, unaware of the other side. We look back, it goes so fast, we cannot run and hide. Autumn leaves, the barren trees, the snow we wish would fall. When seasons change, our reasons fade, and desperation calls. This Christmas time, what's yours is mine, we can savor it all. Stop all the hiding. This Christmas day, I hope in this bed we made for all of our sakes. No, we are learning. We know boundaries, we know justice, we know for what it's worth. For this time, we can't be blind, so much stake within our search. 1 year worth of sentiment, and 1 year worth of fear. To think what 7 billion souls could do in just a year. This Christmas Eve, I will still believe that we can withhold. Stop all the crying in the brave new year. Understand this fear, let's teach the whole world. Please know we are trying. This Christmas Day, what's yours is mine, we can savor it all. Stop all the hiding. This Christmas Day, I hope in this bed we made for all of our sakes. No, we are trying. This Christmas Eve, I will still